that backup mechanism is right now ready as far as bed capacity is concerned. One is in IIM, where the capacity is 300, and out of 300, 100 we decided to provide with concentrator oxygen. And another place is Sauli. The capacity is 100, and out of 100, 40 beds will be provided with concentrator. So therefore, as of today, the bed capacity is more or less still manageable. Then the point number two, where we have a detailed discussion, is relating to the 42,000 vaccines which is arriving the state tomorrow. 42,000 vaccines is going to reach tomorrow, and we discussed today how to go ahead in the vaccination drive. So ultimately, we have taken a decision that those vulnerable districts will be earmarked more vaccines, and those who are not that vulnerable, health department will work out accordingly. And this vaccination drive will start from 14 May 21. This vaccination drive will start from 14 May 21. And these 42,000 vaccines is meant for the age of 18 up to 44 years old. Today we entrusted Health Department to work out all the details, and I would also like to share with you these 42,000 vaccines. Government of India has already created a portal, dedicated portal, where any citizens of the state can directly register or pre-register themselves. Until now, we don't know yet how many persons registered. And maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, Health Department will open the portal. Then only we will be able to know exactly how many persons went for pre-registration. Thirdly, in the review meeting, we were not happy to see the vaccination drive that we have conducted till today in the entire state with the age of 45 and above. We are yet even to reach 40%. To be precise, till today, the vaccination drive that we have done for the citizens of the state, 45 and above, is only 37 to 38%. So our request to all the concerned citizens of the state to kindly decide yourself individually, because from the government side we keep requesting, we keep convincing, we keep asking you to go to the vaccination centers. But still, as I said to you, we have reached only about 38% till today. So therefore, the solution is only if you get yourself vaccinated, you will be safe. But if you don't, the question goes to you individually. So I would like to appeal once again, therefore, the age group of 45 and above, please go and get yourself vaccinated. So these were the issues where we discussed today.
So this 37, 38%, any particular district that has the highest, or is it from all around the districts?
No, this 38% is all over the state. I don't have the detail of the district wise, but
like if any district where not even like just 1% only, or only 1% has vaccinated, any district where you've seen the lowest?
right now we don't have the record. But of course, I think from health department they must be having all the details. So that I think maybe you can be in touch with the official of health department, including our DHS.
So what is the reason for this reluctance on the part of the people, the targeted age group, in coming forward to get vaccinated?
Still, the reason we don't know yet. That's why I don't know why people, because see, one of the reason maybe, some people I saw in the social media, they spread the news that if you go for vaccination, I think it is a sign of 666, something like that. You know, that superstitious happens. Maybe that also contribute to the reason where they don't want to go for the vaccination. But I'm telling you, let me just tell you once again, from the government up to the PHC, CHC and sub-center level, we have already instructed our health team to aggressively explain and also convince people to get themselves vaccinated.
So you said that